Welcome to Plug TV Live. My name is Samantha Mahmood, and I'll bring in you guys reviews and highlights from this Big Brother's new season. It's Tag Pepe Dem. But before we get into this, I know I'm not the only one wondering if these housemates actually auditioned, because the clips we saw, people were breaking their legs, they were fainting. But you know what's my own? Because at the end of the season, someone is going on with a big check, 16 million naira. That's plus prizes, but it's a lot of money. But for now, we're allowed to throw in our 2 cents, starting with the launch night. The launch night was interesting for a number of reasons. We had a lot of dancers on stage, dancing, the Zanku, and all of that stuff. And also we had Tenny the entertainer. We had the Zanku master, Zlantani Bile, and African giant himself, Burna Boy, on stage performing. Also, the housemates came in a G-Wagon looking fly, and there was a review of the new Big Brother house. They built the house from scratch. They took their time. No wonder the season took so long to start, They were building the Big Brother house. It has a lot of rooms, different colors, different wall designs, different artifacts, a lot of sites, a lot of stuff to see inside that house. But now let's talk about the housemates, because for me, I've compiled a list of people that stood out for me with their confidence, with what they wore and all of that stuff. So let's just get right into it. Number 1 on my list is your girl Tacha. That girl was trending all through the night, I hear she's called Simply Tacha, and she's an Instagram celebrity, or she's a twerkist online, or whatever that is. She came in looking so bossy. She came in packaged with a simple dress, but all of her boobs were outside. She's like, yes, I'm here. And she said she came for the money. Everyone came for the moolah this season, no time, you understand? She came for the money, she came ready, and she's like, yeah, they all came to escort me. I came for the drama. She said she's the real Pepe, so we're going to see this season. The next on my list is Mike, who's 28 years old. That man is married, but he is fine. And the question, of course, is what is he doing here? He says he came to learn about Nigerian culture. Okay, so then why are you in Big Brother house? Obviously, he came for the money too and the experience. So I'm hoping to see what more he brings into the house. But I loved his suit. He looked clean, had a nice shape. And obviously, a lot of ladies are going to have their eyes on him. But he's taken already, so let's move on. So a man who is fresh and also odd, he's known as Fraud. When I watched Fraud on tape, he looked really, really quiet. He said he's complicated, so I was expecting that kind of character or attitude. But on stage, he had a nice personality, and he wore white. He was just smiling, fine bubble, I loved what he put on. I love the fact that he stood out, and he also seemed very confident. So hoping to see more of you, Fraud, as the season goes on. The next person on my list is a girl, Kim Oprah, and oh my gosh, I loved what she wore. She wore red. Pepe Dem. She wore actual red, and she stood out with her gold sleeve. She's a beauty pageant, so I'm sure she has a lot of attitude. But on stage, she was a bit shy, so I'm hoping that we can see much more of her as the season progresses, if she makes it past the first week, of course. Esther is the next girl on my list. This girl wore a dress that looks like Cece's dress from last season, the launch night, even the hair. I don't know why all these girls did Afro kinky wig, with one. I don't understand. Why didn't you just use a natural hair? Are you coming with pack hair? Anyway, that's not the point. Anyway, she looked cute, and she came with attitude. She was like, "Oh, I'm the real drama. I'm all that." We're like, "Okay, no problem." But after her, Messi came in. Messi came in with a see-through dress. This girl just stood there, turning up and down. And Ebuka is a married man. I was like, wow, this one actually came for the attention. She's like, I'm Tata C, I'm the Pepe. I'm like, yeah, Pepe Dem, you understand? She was so confident. I loved her shape. I love the way she spoke, even though she sounds a bit fake. Her accent, they're all forming accents for now. But as the season progresses, we'll hear more of her and we'll see what more she can bring. She says she's also very homely, that she cooks. So Mercy, we're looking forward to the meals that you prepare in the house. The last on my list is Nelson. This man gave Ebuka a run for his money in that outfit he wore. It was a printed outfit. It was so nice. And he looked really cute. He's Mr. Still Your Girl. So Nelson, I'm looking forward to seeing what you bring into the house. The attention the girls are given to him and all of that stuff. Well, that's all on my list today. I want to know who you guys are supporting this season. Hashtag Team Tacha, hashtag Team Mercy, all of that. Comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms at Plug TV Live. Until next time, guys, goodbye.